Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your online life easier. Today, we're tackling something simple yet essential: how to change your nickname on Facebook in 2025. Whether you're updating your profile for a fresh start, correcting a misspelling, or just wanting to go by a new moniker, this step-by-step guide will have you sorted in under a minute. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Facebook account on a desktop or mobile app. It's the same process either way. Once you're in, head over to the top right corner and click on your profile picture or the downward arrow to open the menu. From there, select Settings and Privacy, and then click on Settings. This is your control center for all account tweaks. Now, scroll down in the Settings menu until you find the General section and look for Name or Profile Information. Click on that, and you'll see your current name displayed. Here's where the magic happens. Simply tap or click on the Edit button next to your name. You'll be prompted to enter your new nickname. Remember, Facebook might ask you to confirm this with your password or even a quick identity verification to keep things secure, especially in 2025 with their updated privacy features. After you've typed in your new nickname, double-check for any typos because once you save, there might be a waiting period before you can change it again. Hit Review Change, and then Save. Boom, you're done. Your new nickname should appear across your profile almost instantly. If you run into any issues, like it not updating right away, just refresh the page or check your notifications for any alerts. Changing your nickname is a great way to personalize your online presence, but always keep it appropriate to avoid any account restrictions. Thanks for watching, and if this helped you out, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more 2025 tech hacks. Drop your questions in the comments below. I'll see you in the next one.